Hello everyone. I hope again in this lockdown 4.0 you all are fine and fit at the home. Today we will learn about the human female reproductive system located in the standard 10 in third chapter. Generally, human female reproductive system is the most important part of the female body and which is the most important participant of the reproduction and the fertilization process. So, a human female reproductive organs are consisting of a pair of ovaries, these are the ovaries, a pair of oviduct, these are the oviducts, uterus single means this is the single uterus, it is ciliated from the inside with the ciliated cells, and a vagina which is inside the body again, this is the vagina, and a pair of bulbourethral gland. Bulbourethral gland are the most important glands in this female reproductive system. Now again there is an external part of this human female reproductive system. Likewise in the males there is a penis which is located outside the body. This vulva is also located outside the body. This vulva is located outside the body. Now we will learn about this particular diagram. So this particular bulb-like structure or pouch-like structure is known as the uterus, which is present in the abdominal cavity of the female. The whole reproductive system of the female is inside the body. From the uterus, there are two protuberances like the hands. It is known as the oviduct. It is known as the oviduct. This oviduct is divided into different parts. This is the isthmus and these are the fimbriae. Fimbriae means the finger-like structures. This finger-like structures called as fimbriae holds the ovaries at the both sides. There are two oviducts at the either side of the uterus, and with the help of fimbriae they collect the particular ovary. These ovaries are nothing but the production house of the ovum. Production of the house of the ovum means the particular egg which take participation in the reproduction technology, that is fertilization process, which fuses with the sperm. Now every ovary either of 1 month, each ovary produces one egg. Means if suppose in this month this sided ovary produce the egg, then in the next month this sided ovary will produce the egg. Means in 1 month one ovary will produce the eggs. Then the uterus is the most important part of this reproductive system. Uterus holds the particular embryo and nourishes the particular embryo and the fetus. This uterus is from the inside, it is lined with the ciliated cells, that is muscular muscles sheath. Muscular muscles sheath. Then it has a particular opening, it is known as the vagina, where a particular male releases its sperms, and outside the vagina it opens outside the body in the structure of vulva. A pair of ovaries always produces egg either 1 month. Then a pair of oviducts. Oviducts are the parts of the reproductive system which holds the ovaries. These oviducts from the fimbriae receives the egg produced by the ovaries. Then there is a single uterus. We have learned about the uterus. Then there is a vagina. Vagina is the receiver of the sperms. And a pair of bulbourethral gland. It is the most important part of the gland because it produces the secretion which easily enters the penis inside the ovary, inside the vagina. So this is the most important reproductive system in the female. I hope you will enjoy this study. Thank you.